Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Saber effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your VivaVideo apps and then you can export the video, you can add the video that you want to edit. You just click on the effect at the bottom, click on it. And after this, you can click on the border. And then in here you can see a Saber effect. You can click on it. And after this, in here you can add the Saber effect that you want. You can choose the Saber effect 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can choose the Saber effect that you want. I wanna try to Saber effect 1 like this. This is the Saber effect 2. And then this is the Saber effect 3. Saber X4 and Saber effect 5 like this. And after this, I wanna try to add the Saber effect 1. You can adjust the Saber effect 1, so you just click on this icon, click on it. You can adjust for the intensity like this, and after this you can click down in here. Okay, one and finish. So that's how to add a Saber effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.